This is the cheese chopper, the biggest change in the cheese game since sliced cheese itself. The cheese chopper comes with two handles, the blade and wire, so regardless of the cheese you please, it's got you covered. And you can throw that big box grater away because it is great at grating cheese too. When you're done, you pop on the lid and toss it in the fridge. It's that easy. Pre-order your cheese chopper today and get entered to win a year's supply of free cheese.
If you want a professional kitchen with a prep station, then look no further than Revichelf's 4W CCB cutout cutting board drawer system. Designed for both 18-inch face frame and frameless base cabinet drawers, this easy-to-install drawer system features a natural maple construction with semi-gloss finish, tandem 110-pound rated concealed slides with Blue Motion soft close and door mounting brackets. The reversible wood cutting board has a unique cutout and removable funnel insert that allows you to conveniently discard scraps directly into a waste, making prep cleanup easy. We've included a rubber stopper that seals off the cutting board from the trash below, preventing bacteria from getting through. Revichelf's 4W CCB series cutout cutting board allows you to save a step and reduce your food preparation time with Revichelf's 4W CCB series.